Magandang umaga. Tingnan niyo. And I don't know if you can hear it, but look. Yep. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Ay, naku naman.
Nice day, our bank holiday.
Very nice day.
Have a barbecue.
We could have a swim,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Get some cream out as well. Some lounges out. Lots of fun. Bloody hell.
Well, it's not a lot. I was expecting that there will be a lot of puddles over there.
Showers are not.
So, nang grocery tayo, pero hindi ako nag-vlog sa Tesco kasi sobrang daming tao and music. So, medyo mahal yung nabayaran namin ngayon. So, pag walang club card, yung subtotal talaga is 101 and 43 pence. Then, nung sinwipe na namin yung club card namin, naging 93 pounds and 26 pence. So, medyo mahal siya kasi may mga binili kaming meat. So, pakita ko lang ha. Ayan, madami-dami talaga yung grocery namin today. Ang baon ko sa hospital. Masira yung lalagyan mga palangga. Strawberry. Sabi ko kasi kay Mr. na ngayong tea time, we will have sinigang kasi, di ba, I found a sinigang mix, gabi sinigang mix sa Oriental shop. So I said to myself, we'll have sinigang today kasi it's raining as well. The weather is for like soup day. So sabi ko, yes, that's what we're having. Mr. Pork belly for lechon kawali. And then, itong pork loin para sa ating sinigang. Gamon. Chicken breast. 1.6 kilogram to. Kailangan ko siyang i-separate mga loves. Kasi pag nilagay mo siya sa fridge na ganun lang, mahihirapan ka later on. Empty the dishwasher, yeah. Nasa good one. Mahihirapan ka later on kasi kung yung 2 piraso lang yung kunin mo, ay nako, hindi mo makukuha yung 2 piraso. Hindi mawawala sa listahan. Egg. Oh, mga loves. Honey, I hope our Bromley apple will be like this. The size of this. Look at that. They are so huge. Gagawa kasi ako ng pineapple. Not pineapple. Gagawa kasi ako ng apple pie. Kaya... Or probably I will just have a crumble, apple crumble. So we just have apple crumble. It's easier. It's easier kasi mga loves. Kasi gagawin mo lang yung crumble. Unlike sa pastry. Now, I'm not bothered naman. Pero, yeah. I'm not bothered pero tinatamad. Oh my gosh mga loves. So, may dumating na bisita. So, hinakalimutan namin na dadating siya ngayon. Ano lang, magtitingin sa house extension siya, yung parang kagawa or something. Mag-a-assist kayo dyan. So, dahil naghihiwa ako ng karne and all that, so, I'm putting my grocery away. Hindi ko napansin. Hindi ko napansin na ganun pa ako, Atiyo. Atiyo. Yung suot ko pala, ganun na. Baka ano sabihin niya, ano ba yung babaeng to? Ay, nako naman mga loves. Ay, magbibihis na nga lang ako kasi parang ano, kawawa ako tingnan. Nasa garden center kami mga palangga at hindi sana ako magbablog until nung nakita ko itong Robin peanut cake sa Malaywan. Akala ko mahablangka. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Yan. Parang talaga siyang mahablangka. Pero ano siya, pagkain ng ibon. Naku naman. Natuwa naman ako doon. Busy ngayon sila ha. Kasi ano siguro dahil bank holiday. Wala ko hindi busy kasi yung mga... Okay. Here, let's go. Wala ko hindi busy kasi maulan kasi kaninang umaga. Meron kami nakitang pizza oven and ito. Gusto ko tong picturean. Yan. So yung anak ni Mr. bumili siya ng pizza oven. And sabi niya, 199 daw yung bilhin niya.
What's this then?
This is the oven booster. Just this one.
That bit, okay.
Really?
600.
Jesus. Yung anak ni Mr. bumili siya ng pizza oven. So ayun si Mr. na intrigue. So yung price ng pizza oven, yung dito lang ito lang. Itong tungtungan ng pizza oven is ipagpalagay na lang natin, i-round off na lang natin na 100. Yung pinaka pizza oven talaga 600. Yan. Yan. Yeah, that's what we need. I like this actually. I like this table. Can we just buy this with the table itself? No, what I mean, can you just buy the table or you need to buy the whole set? I see. Just a table. Oh yeah, that's amazing. How much is it? Oh, gustos ko mga loves yung parasol. 800.
700 quid.
Yeah, 800. That's not 700. It is 800.
799.
Oh my gosh. Ito yung gusto ko. Can you just film me?
What are we filming? No sleeping. You could do like them people on advert on TV.
Really? Oh yeah. You know the advert.
Yeah.
This is really comfy.
Yeah. Right, here you go.
It's real.
Oh, it's real. Won't be by the time you finish with it.
Don't be like that. Dito namin binili yung ano namin, yung rattan furniture para sa swimming pool. Dito yung naka-display noon. At yung mga sofa, yung ibang sofa nila ngayon is doon nilipat nila.
I really can't believe it.
Look, for lechon. You put guinea pig in here. The size of this.
Oh, it's small, isn't it?
Yeah, for pork belly.
Chicken.
For the chicken as well. But tingnan niyo naman. Oh, juice. Naku naman. They look so nice, mga loves. Yan, Gusto ko ng cactus, pero saan ko naman sila ilalagay? Kasi sa bahay, majority talaga, diba, sa bahay, ano tayo, orchids. Meron akong nakita orchid actually, na maliliit. Wait lang, saan ba yun? Wait. Saan ba yun, ha? Huh? Oh, wow. That's a proper one. What is this? What size? Now, what size is this? The other one is XL, isn't it? Is this...
5 anyway, optional stand at 320.
Oh my
So you want
gosh.
£1,200 for that, plus the stand at 329.
So that's the price for this giant pizza oven. And ito rin, another size, I think. Or same. Ah, yeah, it's another one. Ito. I think yung pinagkaiba nito is yung stand niya or something. I could be wrong. But yeah, to me they look the same. Anyway, oh, is this what he has? Is this what he has?
At least you're getting the thing with this one.
It is to see, but look, even though the baby one is 400.
Should be 299.
And oh, mga loves, yan yung presyo. Anyway, I'm just gonna go back to show you the orchids. Ito, meron silang maliliit na orchids dito. Sana ba yun? Dito. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Yan, oh. Yan, they're so cute. Ito rin, oh. Maliliit. Pero tingnan natin yung presyo. Yan yung presyo. $5.49. $13. Wala naman ako nakikita. Ah, ito, oh. Ito. Wala akong ganito. Itong pattern. Meron akong kulay na ganito, pero yung pattern niya ba sa loob ng bulaklak. That's nice one. How much kaya ito?
See, they look quite very healthy, don't they?
Yeah, I need to repot that mine. I like this. That looks nice.
Just water drinking.
Nandito kami sa growing nursery nila mga loves at tingnan niyo. Wow! Ang daming cherry! Magkano kaya to? Itong malaking puno na to. Kasi last time na nandito kami, ano siya? 499, 500. Last time nung nandito kami, ang dami nilang pear tree. Na puno talaga ng bulaklak, puno talaga ng fruits ba? Ito, ano to? It looks like a plum to me. This is a plum. Plum nga mga loves. Ay, nako naman. Oh my gosh. I hope na yung prutas ko ganito ba. They have a plum tree as well, full of plums. Yeah. The cherry tree is 500 pounds. Come on, let's go. And get our orange. Wow, that looks nice. Tingnan niyo. Ano yan? Ano to? Ayan ako naman. Hindi ko to kilalang bulaklak na to. But yeah, it's pink. At yung outside niya, para siyang velvety pink ba? Nothing? Wala mga loves. Wala silang orange tree. It's not the right time.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. Let's go over here. Yeah, wala silang mga display na lemon or mga citrus. They don't have, yeah, it was August time, isn't it? So they don't have any display for citrus, lemon, nothing, mga loves.
It'd be too cold, you see, to have them outside.
Yeah, if they grow bigger, yeah, this will be like this. So ito mga loves, laurel to. So we're hoping na yung amin magganito in the future. So para siyang wall ba?
You should have just borrowed this.
Yeah, we just dig it and borrow it. Let's see. They're probably hiding the lemon trees in there. Yeah. This is nice, oh. That's nice. Lupins. Yeah. It's nice. After namin sa isang garden center, mga palangga, pumunta kami dito sa isang garden center kung saan kami pumunta ni Janina. At nakakita ako ng sweet potato. First time ko makakita ng sweet potato na nakaganito na ba. So, it's exciting. Kasi, nung nasa probinsya ako, ang daming sweet potato sa probinsya namin. And yung tops niya, pwede itong kainin. Gawing galay ba? Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag yan sa Tagalog. Pero, yeah. Si nanay, sasabihin niya sa amin na, oh, kumuha kayo ng galay. So, ito. Excited ako. Dalawa sana yung bibilin ko. Kaso, ano siya? 5 pounds yung isa. And dahil first time ko din na magtanim ng ganito, isa lang muna yung binili ko. Para practice ba. Uuwi na kami mga palangga. Aside sa sweet potato, hindi sir nakakita ng licorice na sweet. Let me open that for you. Yeah, let me open that for you so that it will not be broken. Yeah, open the window please because it's too hot. Naka-thick jacketin kasi ako kasi it was raining a lot this morning. Hindi ko bet tong licorice mga loves.
Why?
No, I'm scared. Last time I don't like it.
Well, you've tried it before.
Yeah, I mean not this kind of sweets, but I've tried the licorice flavor and I did not like it. No, hon, sorry. I really cannot. Sorry. Last time as well, I did not like it, and I thought it will grow on me, but no.
Put it outside.
Alright. I mean, I tried it, pero hindi talaga para sa akin tong licorice mga loves. I'm so sorry. Hindi ako mapili sa pagkain, but pag may mga food na hindi talaga nag-agree sa akin, I'm so sorry, hindi ko kaya talaga. Is it good?